It's been a busy weekend. I put all of my mother's containers on drip. Everything that was on the patio is now on drip irrigation. Everything except for that one pot right there. Everything on the garden side also on drip. Comfrey that I brought is perking up and is looking really good. It's gonna be a big girl soon. I dug out the spearmint that was put in the yard and placed it in a pot. Hopefully it does not go bad. I was tired of how jumbled up the shed was, so I spent some time and I reorganized the shed so that it's easily accessible with what my mom needs, and she can easily get in, pull out what she's needing for any kind of yard work. I ended up storing a couple of my tires for my car here. I'm going to be turning those into a garden project at a later date, and I will show you guys when I do that what I'm going to do with those. I cleaned out a bunch of containers and stacked them up there. I also took the time and loaded up some wood that was laying around on the roof rafters. So just did a little bit of cleanup in my mom's shed, and I feel really good about it because now she can just get in and easily access what she is needing. That's easily access what she's needing. I need some more clips to hang up some tools that I stored here in the corner, but for right now it looks a lot better than what it did. I should have took a before picture, but to be honest, I was just really trying to get the work done, because when I go visit my mom, I like to take care of small projects for her so that she doesn't have to worry about different things like this. She can just get in and access what she needs. There are a few items that I'm going to be putting out on the curb, but for right now, I think her shed looks pretty good. Looks much better than mine. Potted up some potatoes and some peppers. Potatoes there. Potted up some garlic. Brought over some sweet potato slips. Put some garlic and some marigolds in there. Potted up some turmeric in there with some beans. Potted up a bunch of different beans in these containers several weeks ago, and they're really taking off. There's also some sugarcane in there that came back from last year, so looking really good. Spreading flower seeds all over the place. They haven't come up in this pot yet. I did find some bulbs of something, so this pot is full of bulbs. As you can see, there are two right there that are germinating, so this is a mystery, but I did put flower seeds in this container. So that's what's in this container. It hasn't come up yet. So brought her some elephant ears. I sowed them in here, as well as you can see, I sowed several days ago several marigolds. At least I think that's what I put in here. I also put in, yes, I put marigolds and nasturtiums. So I filled this pot with flowers, so it'll be full of flowers, and I can tell that in the center it's starting to raise up, so the elephant ears are beginning to germinate, and I'm sure the next time I show you guys, they'll be out and saying hello.